In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Binance account. Whether you're having trouble logging in or simply need to reset your password, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you regain access to your account smoothly and efficiently. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type Binance into the search bar. It's essential to ensure you're accessing the correct and official Binance website to avoid any phishing scams or fraudulent sites. Look for the URL that begins with https://www.binance.com and click on it. This will take you directly to the Binance homepage. Once you're on the Binance homepage, locate the Login button, usually found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it, and you will be directed to the Login page where you typically enter your credentials. However, since we're focusing on account recovery, look for the option that says Can't Log In and click on it. This will lead you to a page with different options for account recovery. Here you'll want to select I remember my account, which indicates that you still recall your account details but are having trouble accessing it. After selecting this option, you will be prompted to enter either your email address or phone number associated with your Binance account. Carefully type in the correct information to proceed. After entering your email or phone number, a pop-up will appear outlining the terms and conditions associated with resetting your password. It's important to read through this information to understand the implications of resetting your password. Once you've reviewed the terms, click on Continue to proceed to the next step. Now check your email inbox for a message from Binance containing a verification code. This email should arrive shortly after you've clicked Continue. If you don't see it right away, be sure to check your spam or junk folders, as it might have landed there by mistake. Once you've located the email, enter the verification code provided into the appropriate field on the Binance website and click Submit. With the verification code successfully submitted, you will now be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before to enhance the security of your account. After entering your new password, click Confirm to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully recovered your Binance account. Remember to store your login credentials securely and consider enabling two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments section below.